Original massage cream. This is a firm resistance massage cream used for treatment of isolated areas or when traction is required on the skin. So it's great for myofascial type techniques, slow and deep work. It's got quite a bit of grip and quite a bit of stick. So it's our firmest resistant massage cream. We've got a number of ingredients in this product that make it what it is. The first is a combination of bentonite clay, beeswax and lanolin wax. And this really what gives the cream its texture and its grip. We've also got castor seed oil. So this is a medium density oil for controlled glide. It does sit on top of the skin. It's a wonderful it's a wonderful oil to help with that traction as well as the clays and the waxes. We've also got olive and coconut oil, which are just chock full of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants and excellent moisturising properties. We've got peppermint oil, which is slightly cooling and refreshing. And we purposely put lavender oil in there for not only its scent, but also for its calming properties as well. If you think about when you're doing a lot of these deep tissue type techniques, having the patient and client relaxed on the table is really important. So this sensory kind of experience can help with that. The last one is we've got magnesium in the cream. It's generally there to help with the body and the skin for regeneration and repair. So to use this product, you don't need a lot. You only just need a couple of fingertips worth, so don't use too much. If you're concerned about putting your hands in there repeated for patients, you can use a spatula, or some people will decant it into smaller containers if you're concerned about cross-contamination. When you apply the cream to the skin, make sure you spread it out and work it just for a minute or so it goes clear. That's when you really need to start doing your techniques at that point. Reapply a little bit more during treatment if you need, and at the end of it, wipe it down with a towel. But your aim is that you should really have enough cream on your hand and on the skin, so when you wipe it down, there's really nothing to wipe off. It's a really important thing for all our creams. One of the questions we get is, can you put this cream into a pump? We can't, unfortunately. It's just a little bit too thick and rich and waxy that it would work in a pump. So for the moment, we're just keeping it in the tub.